Hey there. What are today's messages? Everyone dies, but not everyone really lives. Which envelope has our quotes today? Let's check out Lilypad. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Don't say maybe if you want to say no. Not everyone is going to like your choices, but that doesn't mean it's not best for you. You can't grow with people who don't love how growth looks on you. Absolutely. Cut yourself some slack. You're doing better than you think. And the last one today. Let go of the fear of receiving what you deserve to have. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.